Today I'm gonna show you here two things about this iPhone 5. So the problem with this iPhone 5, we have two screws here. One screw, when I'm trying to open it, it's just like turning inside but without like getting out. So I will show you how to solve this issue, and the other issue I will show you how to solve when you put the screen on the iPhone, because the corners are like bent in or damaged, the screen won't fit inside. So to solve this issue, we have to fix the corners. So that will be the next thing I will show you on this video. So let's start with the first one. The screw here, as I said, it's like turning inside. It's not like stripped, but it's turning inside and it's not opening, which means the what they call it, there is like another hole on the screen where the screw holds. And to solve that issue, it's easy. We need to use the IC Samo like this, insert it here, and lift up the screen, lift it up a little bit, and at the same time you open the screw. Alright, as you see, it's open now. When you lift up the screen like this, you make it very tight for the screw, because sometimes the screw is like spinning inside, and the screen is like the hook where the screen like connects, where the screw connects, it's very like loose. So when you open it like this, you make it tight. That's how the screw can come out. Alright, so it's out now, and so now you can open the screen easy. By the way, I already opened the other screw on the other side. There you go, it's open now. And if we see from this side here, we find that the screw is here. We can push it. As you see, the screw is right here, and you can just grab it with your hand. So the main thing, try to lift up the screen to make the screw tight, and after that take it off. The second thing, we will fix the corners on this one. So let's take the screen off first. By the way, this method, it works for all iPhones, like iPhone 5, 6, 5S, 6S, 6 Plus, all of them. If you have the issue with the screw, you do the same thing. And also if you have the issue with the motherboard, with the frame, you do the same thing. So I'm disconnecting the screen now. Okay, let's put the screen aside. We need to disconnect the battery also. Okay, the battery is disconnected. So now we can work like normal on the frame. So to fix the damaged frame, we can use like mini tools. We can use a cutter like this one and shave the edges from inside. Let me zoom on this one so you can see it clear. So this corner here, I will just like shave it from inside like this, till I make sure the part which is bent inside is cut or it's back out. The same thing on this side here. And so on. We do the same thing for all the damaged corners. For example, this one, if you see this corner here, it's not like curved perfectly. It's not like curved right like this, but you see like it's bent inside. So what I'm gonna do, I will just, let me zoom on it a little bit more. so you can see the problem. And I will just use this. By the way, this tool is this cutter is very weak, and so I will use another strong one. Alright guys, so I got this cutter, which is like strong a little bit. So what I'm gonna do, I will just keep shaving this from inside till I make sure it's curved, and make sure don't cut anything on the motherboard. Just work on the frame. If the frame is not curved 100%, the screen not gonna fit. And if you use some pressure on it, I mean a lot of pressure, you may like break the screen. So it's better to fix the corners before you place the screen here. As you see, it's almost like curved perfectly. And you can judge it by looking at it. If you see like it's still like bent inside, just keep like shaving till you make sure it's 100% curved. Not 100%, but we can say like 99%. Alright guys, so that's how you keep like shaving the frame from inside like this. Till you see like it's perfect, and you put the screen, and when the screen stuck somewhere, you see which corner which not good, so you can open the phone again. I mean remove the screen and try to shave it from inside till you make sure it's perfect. So that's how to fix the damaged frame on the iPhones. This, by the way, this method works for all kind of iPhones, and I hope that this method is helpful for you. If it's helpful, please don't forget to hit the button like, and also if you have any questions, leave it in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos, and see you in the next video.